All right, let's look at this. Once you are given something in this form to solve, you don't need to expand it. All right, what you have to do is just to draw a box as you can see here. Once you have done that, label it. Here will be x, here will be y, here will be z. X, y, z. Now you times x, s square. X times y, xy. X times z, xz. Y times x, xy. Y times y square. X times y times z, y, z. Now let's move to z. Z times y, z times x, xz. Z times y, y, z. Z times z, z square. All right. Now what we are going to do, let's write out the ones we square. All right. That is these ones. We are going to write them out. We are going to have x square plus y square plus z square. All right. Now, the next one we are going to get is the one with xy. And if you watch here, we have xy here, we have xy here. So adding them together, we have 2xy plus 2xy. That is this and this. Then the next one is the one with yz. We have yz here. We have yz here. It's just 2. So let's add them together. Adding them together, we're going to have 2yz plus 2yz. All right. So the next one is xz. We have xz here. We have xz here. Adding it together, we have 2xz plus 2xz. As you can see, this method is easy as what you can think. Like this is the final answer. This is the final answer. You can find out that the method is short than when you start expanding it. All right, so this becomes our final answer.